I'm Ryan and welcome back to Basil Food Journal, or welcome if it's your first time. Today we are going to be making non-dairy or dairy-free mini waffles. Alright, so we're going to jump right into it with the ingredients. So first we'll talk about the dry ingredients. I have here 2 cups of flour, just all-purpose unbleached flour. And then right here I have some brown sugar, a tablespoon, a little bit extra, a heaping tablespoon of brown sugar, a teaspoon of salt, and then a tablespoon of baking powder. And then you're just gonna put that into the dry ingredients. Yeah, we have a little bit of allspice and cinnamon. Put that in there too. Sometimes I put in nutmeg. I didn't have any today, but nutmeg is also awesome. And then on the side, we're gonna do the wet ingredients, which here we have a cup and a half of soy milk. You can use any non-dairy milk. And then here we have 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. You can use lemon juice too, or just regular vinegar if you need to. Really just need an acid. And what we're doing here is pretty much making a non-dairy or dairy-free buttermilk for buttermilk pancakes. And buttermilk really is just curdled milk. So with this acid, it is curdling, and you can pretty much watch it happen. Curdling the soy milk. Now, soy milk works best when it comes to making buttermilk just because of the high protein content, so it curdles a lot faster. That's why it's so good for making soy-based ricotta and stuff like that. But now you can kind of see it. You give it just a little bit, then it's about 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And include is a whisk. We'll skip all the dry ingredients. And then add your buttermilk and vanilla. And as you can see, it literally got it curdled chunky. You can still see it. Okay. And here I have a 1/4 of a cup of melted vegan butter. You can use really any neutral oil. I like the taste of butter once it cooks into the waffles. You can use coconut oil if you're trying to go for a less processed fat, or you could just use canola oil, sunflower oil, whatever you have on hand. I'm just gonna mix it up. Just make sure that it is melted, of course, because it'd be hard to incorporate it. It was not. All right, now that we have made our waffle batter, we are going to make some waffles. This cute little mini waffle maker here. And what I like to do is I have just a smaller ice cream scoop, and I just go in. Now mind you, you can add anything you want to the batter. Some blueberries, chocolate chips, and then I like to about 1. And if you want to make them perfect, recommend about 2 scoops. And you'll have an easier time making them perfect if you don't add anything into the batter. Okay, go. Welcome back. We officially have waffles, and we didn't even use a little bit of dairy. So these are completely dairy-free waffles, and I'm so freaking excited to do this. Oh yeah. There we go. Heck yeah. Those are so good. They're so good.
And you don't lose anything by
You
not
don't lose it.
using
You wouldn't be able to tell that there's no dairy in them. You would have absolutely no idea. And you can add, now I just put a little bit of cinnamon in them, but you can put chocolate chips, blueberries, whatever you'd like. And then just put a little bit of powdered sugar. And you're good. So, now that we have made and eaten our non-dairy waffles, I'm hoping that you had a chance to make them along with me, or are planning to. And if you could, please do leave us a like and leave us a comment and let us know if you did make it, how it went, and if you didn't, if you're thinking about trying it. But I'm Ryan, and thanks for stopping by Basil Food Journal.